Hi folks, this is Andre from Timesact, and in this video I just want to show you how you can set an end date for your pre-order or back in stock or coming soon campaign. Okay, so here I am in the app in the pre-orders tab, and you'll notice I have a bunch of active products. And let's just go with a random variant, let's say the small. I can either edit it or I can add a new product. The principle is the same. You'll see that a start date is given by default, being the current date that I'm setting this in. And if I want to set an end date, I just need to tick this one and select an end date. Let's say that it's going to end tomorrow on the 20th of January. Then I can hit save. Okay, please remember that the end date as well is in London time, so UTC +0. Okay, same as the start date. And now if I go back into my list, I can see for this variant that I have an end date. It is the 20th of January, 2023. Okay, now, of course, because we can't wait until tomorrow for this video, I'm just going to simulate what is going to happen and how it's going to look like, because currently, if we browse the product on the store, we can see the pre-order is active, right? And right now, I'm going to edit this. I'm going to put the start date in the past to make this simulation. So like the 18th, right? Or better yet, the 17th. So I make sure that I've passed. And for my end date, I will select the 18th. So I'm putting it in the past just to demonstrate a point here. Okay. And I'm going to save this one. And then I'm going to go into my pre-orders list. And you can see the status here is already changed to expired. Okay. And of course, you could see all your expired products if you hit expired here, the tab. And what's going to happen when it expires is basically all of the settings set in the app. In my case, it was for a pre-order, but it could be very well for a back in stock or a coming soon option, are going to be removed. For this item, I still had some stock in Shopify, and now if I go to preview it, I should just see the regular add to cart button, and there it is. And that is how you set an end date for your campaigns in Timesact. Thank you.